Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we are diving deep into one of the most powerful tools in SFMC, that is Automation Studio. If you have ever wondered how to automate your marketing process, data updates, and email sends, this video is for you. So Automation Studio is like the brain of SFMC. It's where you can schedule, manage, and automate multi-steps marketing and data process without needing to manually trigger each one. From importing data, running a SQL query, sending emails to refreshing data extensions, everything can be done automatically here. Okay, so here is the some key features of the Automation Studio, like activities tab. So this is where you can create all the building blocks for your automation. You can set up a data extract, which is to pull data out of SFMC, file transfers, move file between your FTP and data extension, import activities bring external data into marketing cloud, SQL query activities where you can use filter, joins, and transform data. Filter activities is for create filter audiences. Script activities, which is like run anti-script or SSJS for custom automation logic. Send emails activities, automatically send your campaign emails. Another automation tab is here is where you connect all those activities together into our workflows. So you can decide the sequence of execution, set triggers, and define schedule, like run every morning at 9 a.m. or trigger when a file arrives. So triggers and schedule triggers and schedule perfect for a repetitive task like daily reports or weekly campaigns. File drop automatically starts and automations when a file lands on your FTP, perfect for data driving. So for example, let's say you are working for a hospital management campaign. Every night they want to send personalized health tips to patients based on their recent visits. So here is how Automation Studio makes it happen. First step, you have to import activity, bring updated patient data from their hospital systems. In step 2, you have to write down your SQL query activity, filter patients who recently visited or had checkups. In step 3, you can send email activity, automatically sends health reminders or wellness tips. In automation, step 4, data extract or file transfer, you can use share performance reports with the admin teams. So all of this runs automatically at midnight without anyone clicking a button. So that's the real power of Automation Studio. Set it once and let Salesforce handle the rest. So for this best practices is like always test your automation with sample data before scheduling, name your activities clearly, import patient data or send weekly reports or something, so etc. So monitor your automation logs for any failed activities, combine with journey builders for advanced real-time personalizations, use SQL queries to ensure data accuracy across multiple sources. So Automation Studio saves hour of manual work, ensures accuracy, and helps marketers focus on strategy instead of repetitive tasks. So whether you are automatically daily email sends, managing data flows, or updating customer segments, these tools can handle it all. So that's everything about Automation Studio in Salesforce Marketing Clouds, its features, real-time examples, and best practices. So if you found this video is helpful, then follow for more video. I'll see you in next video where we will explore another key SFMC features in action. Thank you.